On May 17, 2015, candidate Donald Trump tweeted, "I was the first and only potential GOP candidate to state that there will be no cuts, I repeat, no cuts to Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. Huckabee copied me." On July 11, 2015, candidate Donald Trump said, quote, "The Republicans who want to cut Social Security and Medicare are wrong. A robust economy will make America great again." On October 30th, 2015, he tweeted, quote, "I am going to save Medicare and Medicaid. Carson wants to abolish it." And failing candidate Governor John Kasich doesn't have a clue, weak. So, Mr. Secretary, despite these promises, the Trump budget slashes Medicaid benefits by up to $64 billion over 10 years. Medicaid is cut by $1.4 trillion. And by extending the sequester, the Trump budget includes a $33.5 billion Medicare cut. So, Dr. Price, if Congress implements the recommendations of the budget, the FY18 budget, I'm assuming that President Trump would sign that bill. So in effect, the president is breaking a very important promise. The people that I represent back home in Alabama are looking for the truth. And it breaks my heart to know that millions of Medicare and Medicaid recipients across this country who have put their trust in a man that would break their promises. Mr. Secretary, this is really about real health for real people. What is most offensive is that the Trump budget uses the cuts to funds. They use the cuts to these funds to actually provide a tax cut for the wealthiest Americans. Both in rhetoric and in our policies, we have been demonizing the programs that most people rely on. I think it is very clear, and my hope is that this administration will not pass a budget that cuts Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security. I want to associate my comments with Ms. Black because she and I both are working on rural health and health care, and we want to make sure that the wage index is fair across the board. So I want to work with you and her on that issue. But make no mistake about it, I think the American people are watching, and we have to keep our promises. We shouldn't be cutting Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. And I can tell you that my constituents will indeed be watching. Thank you, sir.